Hello and welcome to another episode of Hunt's Handy Hints. So today we are talking about probability. So here's an example. There are 6 discs numbered 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. A disc is selected at random. What is the probability that it is a 3? Now the way we're going to do probability today is with a fraction. So what you do is you look how many 3s there are. Well, there's just 1 3. And we know from the question there are 6 discs in total. So it's 1 over 6. Next question, a 4. Well, there's 2 4s in this question, so it's 2 out of 6. Now you may have spotted that we could simplify that down to 1 over 3, but in probability you do not need to simplify. And then finally a 5. Now you may notice that there is no 5s in this list, so the probability is just 0. Next we're going to look at is listing outcomes. So you may notice this is the exact same question as you'll be answering in your second exercise. A coin and a dice are thrown together. List all the possible outcomes. So with a coin, I'm either going to get a heads or a tails. So let's start off with heads. And to save time, I'm just going to write that as H. Now if I've got a heads, I could have got a 1 with my dice. Similarly, I could have got a heads with my coin, but a 2 with my dice. And so on. I could have got a 3 with the heads, or a 4, and so on. And that is all the possible outcomes I could have got with the heads. Now we could have also had tails. So we could have had T1, T2, T3, T4, and so on. So they are all our outcomes. Well, that's it from me. You've been listening to Hunt's Handy Hints. Until next time.